Wow, guys, check this out. I'm down here at the dock. I rode my e-bike down here. This is actually some kind of private road. Um, but there's a lot of different houses. It's like little beach houses. Check this place out. It's like a private restaurant. Hopefully I don't fall in here. I better get on here. I'm like, there's my little e-bike right there. But yeah, this is like all private back here. I'm not even supposed to be back here. Check out that lobster boats. These guys are just sailing up there. See if they can dock it. See how good they are with the motor, if they know what they're doing. That's some kind of private restaurant there. Well, it's called the Raw Bar. Now, I don't know if that ship actually is going to sail somewhere, or if that's just like a mystique you eat on the... See, they have tables set up on that ship. Oh, cool. Some guys are kayaking here. Nice. I hear a ship coming in, or a boat, I should say. It's another boat. Beautiful out. Beautiful. Almost too much sun. Look at it. Look at all those ships back there. Tour ships. Yeah, this is the life right down here, let me tell you. I don't know if it gets any better than this. Oh, look at this bird. I gotta get this thing. Check this bird out. Look at that thing. That's a hawk. I'm telling you, he's flying right into the sun. He knows how to lose it. How to lose the camera. Yep, these guys are paddling here. Getting hot out though. It's a hot one. Once I return the bike, I'm gonna go back to the pool, I think. There goes that hawk. He's looking around to see what he can get. Alright guys, hey, I tell you what, subscribe for free, and you can check out the other videos I post. Doing the Cape May, and then I'm going to be going on a cruise, Carnival Venezia. I'm going to be posting on that. Be doing some posts from the ship. It should be fun. I'll see you in the next one.